Why warming up and cooling down matter.
Warming up and cooling down are crucial steps for every exercise routine, especially for beginners. They help prepare your body for physical activity and support recovery at the end. Skipping these steps can increase your risk of injury, cause unnecessary soreness, and impact your progress. Understanding their importance is the first step towards a safer and more effective fitness journey.
Simple warm-up routines for beginners.
A good warm-up gradually increases your heart rate and circulation. For all ages, start with 5 to 10 minutes of light activity, like brisk walking or gentle jogging. Add dynamic stretches, such as arm circles, leg swings, or shoulder rolls. These movements gently loosen your joints and muscles, getting your body ready for more intense exercise ahead.
Key benefits of warming up.
Warming up does more than just get your body moving. It boosts blood flow to your muscles, increases flexibility, and mentally prepares you for your workout. Warm muscles are less likely to strain or tear. Regular warm-ups also enhance coordination and performance, making your main exercises feel safer and easier, no matter your age or starting fitness level.
The importance of cooling down.
After exercising, a proper cool down is just as important as warming up. It helps your heart rate and breathing return to normal gradually. Cooling down also reduces muscle stiffness and speed up recovery. Neglecting this step can leave you feeling dizzy or overly sore, making future workouts less enjoyable and harder to stick with.
Easy cool-down activities for everyone.
Dedicate 5 to 10 minutes after your workout for cooling down. Begin with light activity, such as slow walking, to gradually decrease your heart rate. Follow with gentle static stretching. Hold stretches for your calves, hamstrings, arms, and back, each for about 20 to 30 seconds. This routine eases tension and promotes flexibility, ensuring your body recovers safely and steadily.